We're starting this episode off, if you can call it an episode, video maybe, I don't know. Well, we're starting this one off anyway with something nice. As you can see, it's quite a tight road, not a lot of space, and I can see a van up in front. He's waiting for me, but I can see he's waiting for me. My gap is bigger than his. No pun intended. So I pull over, I let him know that I'm waiting. He gives me a little wave, I gave him a little wave back, and we move on. How hard is that? So I come round the corner and I see a cyclist coming towards me. There's his gap to the right of me. I wait for him. He gives me a little wave. I give him a wave back and we go on. Simple, isn't it? Now at this point I would like to let everyone know that my viewers are all over 18. Hence the swearing and the complaints of a couple of episodes ago.
It's the look they give you, like you're doing something wrong stopping for them. Am I going to get a thank you? No, nothing. They look at me as if I'm doing something wrong. You're backing out. And I'm letting you go, and you look at me like I'm fucking a piece of shit.
Now at this point I'd like to show you this again, and the fact I would like to stress I have never tried to fuck a piece of shit.
Yeah, you just drive straight at me, mate, yeah? Yeah, you just drive straight at me, mate, yeah?
Over the last few weeks we've had quite a bit of rain in London and the surrounding areas, and it's been quite interesting to see how people drive in flooded roads. Some people know how to do it, some people don't, and here's a perfect example of it.
Thanks, guys. Fucking slow down, numpties.
Now if you look at this Range Rover behind me, for me does everything right compared to that idiot that just was going the other way.
Thanks, guys. Fucking slow down, numpties.
Again, here we are with two different types of drivers in wet weather. This van in front avoids this puddle, so do I. But the guy behind, just a little bit different. Almost hits the curb, he was so interested in trying to splash. I bet he was the kid at school with Wellington boots that jumped in all the puddles soaking everyone. I don't know what that's all about though. As we go on a little bit, he just loves to splash, this guy. Good job no one's on that pavement. Now we go back to the front, and this guy I have no idea what he is avoiding here. He pulls right out. There's nothing there. The joys of having an electric car. I get this so often.
As far as Brazilians, for those who hasn't played yet, it's important to understand what's happening in this World Cup. You need to be ready in 90 minutes,
Yep.
97.
Of course, that lane goes into this lane, doesn't it?
A little bit larger, so they need to be. It's funny, but it's a way to show that some players or managers that don't waste time anymore because we are gonna give the extra time.
All them indicators really work very well and all.
Yeah, the game that I watched it was really.
Next few days, she's gonna feel it.
Oh, you're welcome. Another one. People don't say thank you no more. And on the phone, on the steering wheel, I can't even talk. It makes me so bloody angry, these people.
Now in this clip here, this driver, Mr. Potato Head here, we're coming up to a very, very steep hill and he wants to run up at it. I can understand that, but watch his reaction when he can't get one. I've got cars in front of me, so I can't help him out.
Yeah, so getting further into it, whether the appetite economically has changed, I don't know. Okay, but I don't think Birmingham are in any immediate jeopardy besides the fact that the particular owners they have there are not to the liking of the fans.
We brought you the news first that Eddie Jones has been signed as England head coach. The confirmation of that news has come through. Jones is now gone from the England rugby setup. More on that throughout the day on TalkSport.
I can't go any faster than the people in front of me, mate. What are you flashing me for?
To give you the speeds you pay for, even at peak times. Powered by BT. Limited availability. Check coverage.
I know he wants to run up at the steep hill. That's not my problem.
It's a turkey sub with maple smoked bacon.
Exact problem was.
Now this is what I had in front of me, so God knows why he couldn't see it.
Whether the appetite economically has changed, I don't know. Okay, but I don't think Birmingham are in any immediate jeopardy besides the fact that the particular owners they have there are not to the liking of the fans.
We brought you the news first that Eddie Jones has been signed as England head coach. The confirmation of that news has come through. Jones is now gone from the England rugby setup. More on that throughout the day on TalkSport.
I can't go any faster than the people in front of me, mate. What are you flashing me for?
Now he did catch me up further down the road, and there's a red light in front of us. Why is he driving so fast to go to a red light? So impatient.
That's him, Mr. Numpty.
It's over because Eddie Jones
Mr.
was
Aggressive
sacked this
bastard.
morning as England head, including a Grand Slam in 2016, World Cup runners-up.
And with real gusto and made some brilliant changes, and ultimately went on and won a Grand Slam, got to a World Cup final. But I think his positions just become untenable when you have the series of poor performances that we have had in those
Again.
shirts. It's not from any lack of effort, I don't think.
Who the hell is he bibbing this time? Ain't going fast enough for him.
But there is a disconnect now, and I think.
This is me driving through Sutton to get to Carshalton. That's in Surrey if you don't know. See how many idiots we can find. First off, The Undertaker. Second, the red light jumper. Third,
expected
The
you're
Q
gonna come
jumper.
right across me then. Yeah, there he goes.
With QuickFit, claim your free creative Movo Play Bluetooth speaker when you buy 2 or more Michelin Cross Climate.
Fourth, the pedestrian who just cannot wait.
That we wanted to see to think that, yeah, okay, we're moving in the right direction, was if anything the opposite, and it felt like we were going, down those it was a lack of it was a reduction in performance every time we seemed to.
There's always one. There's always one that's got to do it.
Fifth, another Q jumper.
Portugal plays Switzerland live on TalkSport at 7 p.m. tonight for a place World Cup quarter-final. And former England fast bowler Steve Harmison's told TalkSport this week's Test win in Pakistan was England's best ever victory away from home. England scored 7 over in both.
With franchise cricket, 2020 cricket, white ball cricket around the world, what's the point of Test cricket? And we've completely talking about it in a different way.
Six is the person who doesn't look properly or doesn't give a shit when they pull out.
You know. Really?
That he will stay on. I think the feeling is that he will probably
7 and 8, just there. The silver car could move up a little bit further so the black car could be out of our way. So there's 7 and 8.
Very sensible. Very sensible.
About now, I'd like to reinforce that I have no viewers under the age of 18, just in case I swear. At number 9, the person who doesn't know how to use his wing mirrors.
Fucking hell! What are you doing? Can't I just change lanes? The fuck was that? What was that? Fucking hell! What are you doing? Can't I just change lanes? The fuck was that? What was that?
In a second, you'll hear my window go down and me bashing my wing mirror to show him what a wing mirror looks like.
Have a look in this, yeah? Have a look in that.
I'm going to wrap it up now, guys. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one. Bye bye.